I was southbound on I-15 just north of Salt Lake City when I felt something funny happen on my motorcycle that I've never felt before. You'll see here how the windshield just wobbles just a little bit as I got that feeling. So I slowed down and felt that a second time and decided it was time to pull over. But I didn't have room on the HOV lane side. I could see that I was starting to run out of room. Luckily, I had a break in traffic over to the right, and I was able to move over to the right side of the road where I could pull over safely to check on the motorcycle to find out what was going on. Because I had never felt any flat before, the first thing I leaned over was checking my front wheel, got off the bike, and that's when I noticed I had the flat. I moved the bike off a little bit further off to the side for safety to the gravel, but that didn't work because I couldn't get the bike up on the center stand. I finally got it back on the asphalt. Still couldn't get on the center stand until I took all the gear off. And then I finally got it up and was able to start looking for something in my tire. What was really nice is I actually had 2 people stop and offer their assistance. That was really great. I didn't take them up on it, but it was just nice knowing that there's people out there willing to help a fellow motorcyclist on the side of the road. Now, there was no clear indication of anything in my tire, and I actually had to keep my earplugs in because the freeway was so noisy. And I had to see if I could see anything obvious sticking out of the tire, and I couldn't see anything. And after a while, searching the tread, I started looking at maybe the sidewall in case there was sidewall damage. And then finally, back looking at the tread, I noticed something really kind of small and tiny. I was able to use my rasp tool to poke at it, and sure enough, that's when I found the hole. There was nothing sticking out of it, just this kind of tiny little hole between the treads. Took a bacon strip, put it into the tire, took out my portable pump, filled it up. Now that my tire seemed to be holding air, I had 2 things to do. I needed to get to a tire shop to see if I could get a tire or a patch, and I had to visit a friend at the hotel in Lehigh because we were planning to ride to Moab together. The tire shop didn't have anything my size, but they suggested that if I could find a tire, that they would be willing to change the tire for me that afternoon or the next morning. So the hunt had to be on. But the next thing I had to do before finding a tire was head to the hotel in Lehigh to visit a buddy of mine who'd already been waiting quite a while for me before I got this flat tire. Hi. I tried getting a new tire at a motorcycle shop.
I was going to ask you about that.
He didn't have one, so he sent me down to another place that might have one.
Cycle gear? I saw there's one like 12 minutes away from here.
Oh, is that right? I'll give him a call.
Thank you for calling your hometown cycle gear.
What you got there, Spoked in the Eye?
Got my new tire I didn't want to buy. Are you okay being on camera?
Sure.
Okay. And what was your name?
Miles.
Miles. Thanks very much, Miles.
Yeah. So if you have any issues before you leave, if you leave, I can't help you. But before you leave, if you have any issues, let me know. Went through, moved all of our parts to the back here.
And you guys work on everything, basically?
Pretty much everything.
Yeah.
Yep. Anything?
Are you guys okay being on video?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. As if not, I'll blur you guys out.
No, we're good. I mean, yeah, no, we work on just about everything. Just about. But like, yeah, Harleys. You know, I've done a few Harley builds. You know, where we did Screaming Eagle cylinders and top ends and cams and the whole shebang. Tuner, custom fab, custom work, engine rebuilds, engine builds, insurance.
All right, thanks, my man.
Yeah, for sure. If you guys need anything else, let me know.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I really do.
Yeah, I'm sure. So get going, have fun in Moab.
Yeah.
Do your thing. Be careful getting up there.
Yeah. All right, thanks, guys.
You guys.
So if you're ever in Lehigh, come to Impulse Power Sports if you need anything. They are awesome. They help me at the drop of a hat to get me fixed and on my way. So I really appreciate it. Thanks, you guys. So originally, Restless Mule and I had decided we were going to do some riding when we got together in Lehigh. But after this ordeal, I was a little bit tired, so we decided to head back to the hotel and grab a well-deserved rest and a beer. Thanks for watching. Take care. Ride safe.